So first-person controller is pretty good for most games, but sometimes you want to use a third-person controller, and those are built into the standard assets as well. If you go into third-person character prefabs and you grab the third-person character, you get this guy who is called Ethan. And Ethan is fully controllable, so if I hit play, he's animated and he can run around, run up to the camera. Now the only problem with Ethan is he runs away, and we want to be able to follow him, kind of Super Mario style. So what we need to do to make this happen is we need to add a script to the camera to follow him, and because it's such a common issue, or a common thing that people want to do, there's a script already written which does it for you. If you go to add component, rather than making a new script, we're going to scroll down and go to scripts, and it's in Unity utilities. You could just search for this without having to do this, but it's called SmoothFollow. SmoothFollow follows a target with a distance and a height. The target, we're just going to drag Ethan to it, and we'll hit play. This won't be quite right, but it'll show us some things that will work. So here we are, there's Ethan running around, and at least I'm following him now, but this is kind of annoying that he's running towards me. He's not getting any closer because the camera's running away from him. Now, what that comes down to is rotation damping. And also, I felt I was a bit too far away from him. Rotation damping, I just twiddle with the numbers, like 3 seems to work. Height damping, I don't know, 2. I'm going to be a lot closer to him. I'm going to go 2 meters away and maybe 3 meters. I don't know. I'm just playing around with the numbers, see what we get. And hit play and wait. I'm a little bit too high, I feel, but now I am kind of running around and I'm following roughly behind him, and you can kind of see how the rotation, as Ethan moves, the camera rotates around behind him. I definitely don't like those numbers that I chose there, but that works. I'll just point out as well that this works really well for other things. So if I delete this and add in a vehicle, which is again a really common thing that people want, if I go to car, prefabs, car, and just drag car into here. Where's my car? Did it appear? Don't see my car. Oops, wrong screen. Oh, right over there. What's it doing over there? Looking here. 0, 0. No, it should be right here. There it is. I can hit play, and same as I had before, my script, I can drive my car, but it drives off the screen. No good. But I can do exactly the same thing. I can go, well, I've got the main camera. I've already got the SmoothFollow, but because I deleted the transform, that's gone. If I delete the car onto it, sorry, not delete. If I drag the car onto it and hit play, and I am driving the car, I need a slightly less featureless background. Obviously, I need to tweak my numbers. 10 might work better, just for fun. Yeah. Slightly less featureless background would really help. Definitely play around with these numbers a lot until you get something that feels right.